Here's a puzzle book that already contains a Calcudoku puzzle set inside Puzzle Book Studio. Now we'll generate a binary puzzle set and add it to the current puzzle book instead of creating a separate project. Multi-set puzzle books require Productivity Edition or Time Saver support for each puzzle module you want to combine. The puzzle book now contains both Calcudoku and binary puzzle sets, organized together inside the same project. We can continue expanding the same puzzle book by generating additional puzzle sets and adding them to the current book. The project now contains multiple logic puzzle sets organized together inside one larger puzzle book workflow. Puzzle Book Studio can also reorganize the puzzle order to create more varied page flow throughout the book. After shuffling the puzzle order, the mixed puzzle book feels more varied while still keeping the puzzle sets organized inside the same project.
Here we're using multiple time saver rows to generate several Sudoku puzzle sets at once, including different Sudoku variations and a Samurai Sudoku set. With Create New Book enabled, all generated puzzle sets will automatically become part of the same puzzle book project. After generation, Puzzle Book Studio organizes all puzzle sets into one larger Sudoku puzzle book workflow. The standard page layout works well for regular Sudoku puzzles, but Samurai Sudoku needs more space to remain readable. Puzzle Book Studio also allows custom layouts for individual puzzle sets, so larger puzzle types can use different page layouts inside the same book. After rebuilding the book, the Samurai Sudoku pages now use a larger custom layout, while the other Sudoku sets keep their original layout structure. Even after shuffling the puzzle order, the custom Samurai Sudoku layout remains preserved inside the larger puzzle book project.